Hey y'all, it's Chris. I want to take you through some Prime Day stuff and want to show you what you can do to be prepared. So what I'm going to do is go to the today's deals, and we're going to look at what we can do to set up some information. Look at all departments. We're going to go kitchen, and I think it goes further into like kitchen and dining. And then we can start searching from here on items that are good for deals of the day. Hey y'all, editing Chris here. Just coming at you. I wanted to bring you some items that I found on Amazon. Today's deals, these are going to start ramping up because Prime Days are coming. And so I wanted to kind of show you some of the items that I would pick to keep an eye out for Prime Day, and or some of them are pretty good deals and you want to might pick them up like now. So comment below and let me know if you like this type of video, and I'll keep looking for stuff while Prime Day is going on and keep kind of sprinkling in these videos to see if maybe there's something that you might like to pick up, and hopefully we can get you started on your canning journey or increase your canning powers with some really good products that are at the lowest prices we can find. All right, look what we found. We got a Kasori dehydrator right now, and these are they really start in the month of June. If they're going to do the Prime Day in June, which they are, they start with stuff like this. Look at the price on this guy. That's pretty good. Click on the link or click on the QR code and jump to the Corso food dehydrator and pick one up for yourself. This has got great reviews. I don't own this one, but it'll definitely work if you're not in the budget, if you don't have the budget for the Excalibur. All right, y'all, here's another one. An immersion blender. This is a great deal. I don't have this one. It's got great reviews and it's got like all the pieces that I would want. And for $35.97, I think that's a phenomenal deal. Here's another opportunity. This one is going really fast. You can pick yourself up a cheap vacuum sealer, and I believe any of the bags will work with this, but $38.99, definitely something I think that you should consider if you're getting into the food preservation world. This is one of those that I think you have to have too. This is an electric mason jar vacuum sealer. This does not make it shelf stable, but if you're storing things like pasta or anything that, freeze dried stuff, and you don't want to put it in a jar and put it on the shelf, I highly recommend this. Just don't ever vacuum seal or put oxygen absorbers on salt or brown sugar because it turns into a rock. I found this set, BOA 4-piece stainless steel funnel with mesh. This is a very good price. I know I just found my set on here, and the set that I got from 4 Jars was $34.95. And this set is coming in, where'd it go? Here it is. 28%, 25.99. That's pretty good. I looked at this one too, but I don't like this one. I like this one better, and that's what the QR code takes you to. Okay, found a limited time deal on the Mueller vegetable chopper. I have this one. This chopper is amazing. For $20, that's 40% off. Doesn't matter what color you get. I think I've got the green one because that's kind of my color. But $20.87. Definitely put this in your cart. This is definitely a winner. The Ball Complete Home Preservation book, 55% off for the hardcover. I'm so excited. If you click on anything, buy this book. Click on the QR code on your screen and go get this for real. All right, y'all, this was just a quick update. I found a couple items that I felt like you should see now. That way you can go get them if you feel like it's something that you want to go and pick up to add to your canning arsenal. Like I said, I'm going to keep an eye on Amazon, and if we can find a canner, like if we can get a pressure canner on sale, that would be huge. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled. Comment below and let me know what you guys are looking for Prime Day, so we can make sure that we outfit our canning arsenal with all of the things and not spend a ton of money. So Put some videos over here for you to check out in the meantime. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until we see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.